In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a MailChimp email as HTML step by step so you can save your campaign design, reuse it later, or keep a backup of the layout. This is a super useful trick if you want to move your email content, archive your design, or work with the HTML file outside of MailChimp. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Sign in with your account credentials and make sure you're logged into the correct account that contains the email campaign you want to export. Once you're in the MailChimp dashboard, look for the Campaigns section. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, so click on Campaigns to continue. Now find the email campaign you want to download as HTML. Scroll through your list of campaigns and select the one you want to export. When you find it, click Edit next to that campaign. This will open the campaign options, and from there you want to click Edit Design. That takes you into the email editor where you can access the design and save it in a reusable format. Inside the editor, look for the drop-down arrow next to Save and Exit. Click that arrow carefully because this is where MailChimp gives you additional options. From the menu, choose Save as Template. This step is important because MailChimp often exports templates rather than the campaign directly, so saving it as a template helps you prepare the design for HTML export. Next, MailChimp will ask you to name the template. Give it a descriptive name that you'll recognize later, especially if you manage multiple campaigns or templates. For example, you could use a name based on the campaign type, date, or purpose. Once you've entered the name, click Save. This adds the template to your email templates library. Now go back to the MailChimp dashboard. From there, return to Campaigns and select Email Templates. This section contains all the templates you've saved, including the one you just created. Locate your saved template in the list and open it. Depending on your MailChimp version, you may see a More Actions menu or a Create New menu. Open that menu and look for the option that says Export as Template. When you see it, choose Export Template. MailChimp will then generate the export file for you. Give it a moment to process, and once it's ready, you'll be able to download the template as an HTML file. Click to download it and save it to your computer. After the file downloads, make sure to store it in a secure and easy-to-find location. It's a good idea to create a folder for your MailChimp exports so you can keep everything organized. That way, if you need to reuse the design later, upload it somewhere else, or share it with a developer, the file will be ready to go. And that's it, you've now downloaded a MailChimp email as HTML. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.